In this exercise, we will learn the Quick Selection tool. Basically, the Quick Selection tool will make a selection by finding specific area edges in an image. And this tool is frequently used in Photoshop because it's the best tool to select and cut out a subject from an image. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I move my cursor on the toolbar, here we can find the Quick Selection tool. If I right-click on it, we can see we have a W shortcut key. Okay, let's select this tool and demonstrate how it works. If I click one time, we can see it has selected an area. Okay, deselect it. And now, if I click and drag my mouse on an image, we can see we have selected all of the image very quickly. Okay, let's try and select our coffee cup image. Now, zoom in a little bit by pressing Ctrl+ keys. And now, press W to select this tool. If I zoom in a little bit more to see the edges, we can see that some area is not selected. We can select this area now. We can see that almost all of the subject is selected. We can now cut out that subject. Press Ctrl and C for copy and Ctrl and V for paste. Let's zoom in and we can see our subject is perfectly cut out. Okay, now let's talk about its control option. Just delete the subject by pressing the delete key and turn on image layer. We can see above we have three options there: new selection, add to selection, and subtract to selection. And next we can increase or decrease the size from here. Or for shortcut keys, press the right and left bracket key. Something like that to adjust the size. Okay, if I click one time in the subject, we can see our subject is selected in a specific area. Also, you can notice that Above tool is switched into Add to Selection tool. So now, if we want to add a new selection in this selection, we can add selection to select all subject. And next, we subtract option. Just click on it, and then we can subtract it. Okay, if I press and hold the Shift key, then our tool is switched into the Add section, and we can add. If I press and hold the Alt key, then we can subtract it. Okay, now we can adjust the brush size from here by pressing the left or right bracket. Okay, next we have the Sample All Layers option. If you make a selection from the other layers, then check this on. And next is an Auto Enhance option. Let's check this also on. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Magic Wand tool.